Environment reprogramming. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the most crucial aspects of your entrepreneurial career and your business endeavors is your environment. What is your environment conditioning you to become? Now, you are a byproduct of your environment, whether you like it or not, because you are an accumulation of the things and the energy and the people around you. This is known. That's why birds of the same feather flock together. We know this to be a principle because energy, right, of the same kind usually attracts, and energy of the different kind usually repels. So the environment that you're in is most likely having a massive impact on the decisions of your life, the quality of your life, and the type of information that you're allowing to enter into your head and that you're believing to be true. If you want to network with millionaires and you don't have an environmental setup that kind of gives you a layup of prestige, you have to be able to provide value. Providing value in the marketplace is how you get paid. Providing value to an individual is how you build relationships. Because all business is a multiplication of what? The individual interaction. So people think that an unsuccessful business is the business that has one customer. But if I have a business, right, and it has one happy customer, I have a successful business. Why? Because I am transacting with that individual. You may call it a small business. You may say I'm a contractor, I'm a seller. No, but I'm in business. I am operating a business. I'm operating a transaction. All that a big business is that same thing happening at a macro scale. Make sense?